Okay, so good morning guys. So today is the opening of the 38 Bicol Open in Iriga City. So papunta na po kami, kasama ko na ngayon ang aming mga age grouper. Oh, kaway! Kaway sa vlog! Ito po tayo guys sa ano? Waras Bridge. Ayan po si Boss Anjo. Let's go! Ito na po ang Arriba Iriga Center. Welcome to Bao. Welcome to Iriga. So guys, we are waiting for the parade to start. So dito po tayo ngayon sa Arriba Sports Center dito sa Iriga City. Oh, kaway! Nice, sir. Sir Alvaro. Hi, Bob.
When you serve well, you are very successful. That is also in life. When you do good service, you will also be successful, not only in tennis, but in life.